ay may sinisinta na hindi taga Laguna, paano mo i-describe sa kanya in one word ang Laguna?
By the way, I'm Carl Santiago. I'm from Cabuyao. If I'm going to describe Laguna or my Cabuyao in one word, it would be adventurous. Because I myself, as an adventurous person, I can tour her in any way she wants, and I can show her how Cabuyao is truly beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Mabuhay Laguna. I am Angelo Manimting from Payate. If I have someone that is not from Laguna, I would say that the word is Bai. It's something that's a word that it's always said by a Lagunense. It stands for someone who are truly loved with the product, with the tourism of Laguna. So that's it. Laguna is Bai. Thank you.
Go Emil!
Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Emil Miguel Green from Municipality of Calauan. If I'm gonna just describe one word to a person who's not here from Laguna, I think that would be Laguna is a pearl from the Philippines. Province of Laguna is rich in culture, nature, shopping, and its people. I believe na ang Laguna po ay hindi lang kilala sa mga turismo, produkto naming mga pinagmamalaki. Kami din po ay kilala sa pagiging mabuti at masayang tao. Ayun lang po.
Maraming salamat. Ang ating lakad mula sa Alaminos.
Hello po, I'm Ethan Lester Garcia Manalo from Municipality of Alaminos. Ang masasabi ko lang po sa hindi taga Laguna is ipopromote ko po na dayuhin at puntahan ang mga hindi lang tourist spot at masasarap na pagkain sa Laguna, kundi ang mga mamamayan ng Laguna. Dahil dito nagmumula ang pakikisama at pakikitungo ng bawat mamamayan ng Laguna. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Yeto Kikito Jr., but you can just call me Harley. I am from the city of Cabuyao. So as we all know, loving someone is not just about knowing that person, but also accepting that person. And me as a Lagunense, if I will love someone, I will make sure that she will accept me as a product of Laguna. I will make sure that just like the waterfalls in Pagsanhan, my love, and I will fall harder than it. And just like the rivers in each part of Laguna, I want to make our relationships as stable as it. And just like the coffee of Cabuyao from my lovely city, I will make sure that I am stronger than ever, and I will prove myself to you. Not just for you, for your family, but also for each and every Lagunenses. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Palapakan po natin ating mga lakad mula sa Cabuyao, Paite, Calauan at Alaminos. Talaga naman po masarap at madaling mahalin ang mga Lagunense. Ferdy?
Or